Om Sai Ram people, my name is Yadnesh and I am with my father right now at Dadar, and we are going to participate in the Palki organized by Sai Sevak Mandal of Dadar, which will be traveling to Shirdi in the next 9 days. They will start from Dadar, they will walk all the way to Shirdi in the next 9 days. So my father will be with them throughout the journey, and unfortunately I will be just for 2 days, like the first day and maybe the second last and last date. So yeah, I will further update you. I have recorded some nice videos of the Palki earlier and also the Rath, which I will put it in this video. Maybe after this video or before this one, I don't know. I will decide it while I am editing the video. So see you guys. So once again I am going to show you the Rath, which people pull themselves, and they are going to pull it all the way to Shirdi from Dadar. So this is the Rath.
Hello.
This right here is the Nishan, which starts the Palki, like it is in the very front of the entire Yatra. This is the Nishan. And right now I am once again going inside the this complex, and I will show you the Palki once again. The thing is, people have started crowding the entire area. There are thousands of people who will participate in the Palki. So so you can see this is the queue for the darshan. That is the Palki right there, decorated with all the flowers, and this is the queue. This queue will get longer later on. The thing is, the Palki did not go to Shirdi for the last 2 years due to the COVID-19 lockdown, and this is yeah. So a lot of people are going to participate because they were not able to go to Shirdi for the past 2 years via the Palki, and yeah. So I am expecting a lot of crowd, and so yeah, the people carry the Palki on their shoulders, and this is going to be a lot more interesting. And it is 11:33 right now, and at 12 o'clock the Aarti will begin, and after the Aarti we can the Palki will leave for destination.
श्री साई भक्तांना विनंती, रस्ता खाली करा, रस्ता जरा खाली करा. लोकांना गर्दी वाहन वापरण्याची काळजी घ्या.
The Palki shall leave at 12:30. The Aarti will begin at 12 o'clock, and the Palki will start traveling at 12:30. So yeah, I am back at my spot. Just a while back, the Madhyan Aarti was performed, and right now there are the sounds of Dhol Tasha, and I'm trying to get the video clip of it. So somewhere there are Dhol Tashas, or these might just be speakers, I don't know. This is the Rath.
चला बाहेर सगळे बाहेर जरा चला सगळ्या बाहेर बाहेर
guys just saw the Nishan go ahead right now, and the Palki will be following it. So I might try to cover the Palki's entrance. So I'm back again at the spot which I was initially standing at, and I'm trying to look for my father. Wait a second.
एक वरची गर्दी कमी करा, एक वरची गर्दी कमी करा. साईडला थांबू नका, आता तुम्हाला थांबू नका. चला बोलू पात्र सचिदानंद सद्गुरू साईनाथ महाराज की. ओम नारायण नमः. ओम श्री साईनाथाय 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 नमः. ओम श्री साईनाथाय. श्री सच्चिदानंद सद्गुरू साईनाथ. पालखी निघाली, ताबडतोब सर्वांनी पालखीवर प्रस्थान करायचं. पालखी निघाली, पालखीवर सर्वांनी प्रस्थान करायचं. रस्ता खाली करायचा आहे. सर्व भाई भक्तांना विनंती, पालखीवर प्रस्थान करा. रोड खाली करा. चला साई भक्तांना, सर्व भाई भक्तांना विनंती.
So as you just saw, the Palki has preceded, and as also the Rath has preceded too. And now we are waiting for our truck because we have to load in some luggage. Yeah, so once the truck arrives, we will also proceed. And today's halt will be at actually the entire Palki will go to Thane. Yeah, so we will be walking from Dadar to Thane as of now for today. And after then my father will further proceed in the journey, and I would have to get back home because I have some stuff to do. Most of you guys know that I am in my final years, and I have a lot of submissions pending, and I also have passport verification on April 4th. So I won't be joining the Palki right now. Once I'm done with all the stuff, I will rejoin the Palki for the last Monday. So yeah. So just now we have loaded our stuff in the truck. Yeah. So this truck will carry most of stuff like clothes and all the basic requirements that you need. And yeah. So we were waiting for the truck a while long now. We are late actually. The Palki went a lot ahead now. So a while back we loaded our stuff in the truck, and now we have begun our journey towards Chunavatti. And yeah, I'm wearing a hat now because of the sunlight. Yeah, so to protect me from sunlight. My father is also wearing a hat now. So we have just reached Chunabhatti and I wanted to show you something very interesting. So as you can see, there is a crane over there. So what they do is when the palki comes right under the crane, they spray flowers on it. But I told you earlier that we are late. Actually, the palki went far ahead from us right now, so I was not able to show you this because of all that truck getting late, and so, you know. So this is the crane I was talking about, and you can see a guy hoisting a flag over there. So what they do is when the palki gets right under here, they spray flowers on it. There are a few flowers left down here.
आलेल्या सर्व साई भक्तांचं सर्व साधूंचं शिवचंद्र हार्दिक स्वागत स्वागत स्वागत.
So a few people back there were distributing some bananas, so we got that, and this seems to be some kind of a soda, orange soda. So we got it for free. Free. So we have taken a halt right now, kind of a small break, and we are now going to eat our lunch box. So we have some dosas with us. We packed them from home, and we also packed some chutney with it. So as of now, I'm going to have my lunch, and we are not going to stop for a very long time, and we'll just get going after some time. So the place where we halted was itself a Sai Mandir, a small Sai Mandir here. We had stopped right there. So now we are continuing ahead, not stopping because we are already late, and had some nice dosas. The first driver was honking at me. I was talking to you guys. I did not realize there was a bus behind. So here you can see a rangoli, which is huge. I will show you. Now the surprising thing about the rangoli is that there is a group of people who make this rangoli within a few minutes. In a matter of couple of minutes, they make this entire thing, and this looks actually very beautiful. But the thing is, they might have made this earlier, and now a lot of people have actually walked on it. So it's kind of blur now. Got a free ice cream again. So we increased our pace a little bit as compared to the earlier years, and behind me is the Rath, and ahead of me is the Palki. So yeah, we have reached near the Palki now, and what we are trying to do is, so you can see people pulling the Rath. So yeah, the people pull the Rath turn by turn, and they will take it as far as Shirdi, and they are now trying to climb a bridge, so it is kind of hard. So they are pulling a Rath onto an flyover. I will show you again. So people are pushing the Rath on the flyover, and it is a very hard task to do. My father has quite an experience about it. He once told me a thing. I might share with you it later.
साई देवा
प्रदीप ये प्रदीप ये बाहेर बाहेर चालू कर
त्याला घ्या भाऊ का एकेकाने घ्या रे घाई करू नका तुम्ही काम करा एकेकाने घ्या काम करा घाई करू नको रे घाई करू नको काय चल पुढे चला दादा चल सोड चल चला
So I was able to carry the palki for a short amount of time on my shoulder. My father too did it, and he was also able to record my video along with the palki. So I will put it on this video too. So make sure you watch it. So we just decided that we needed some rest and also wanted to drink some water. And so we are at Ghatkopar now, and it is almost 4:09, consider 4:10. So we are almost at Vikrori, and here there is a band company, maybe a band group, and they are doing their play, and I will show you. People were distributing some mango juice, so I am going back to get it. I like mango juice a lot. I'm once again going back to get the mango juice. We have reached Vikrori as of now, and we are going inside. Like we are on the Eastern Express Highway right now. So we are going inside. Yeah, we are at Kandaman Nagar. So we will be going inside Vikrori, and from there we will see. Yeah, so we were provided by some Zunka Bhakar, and we enjoyed it. Usually I don't like Zunka that much, but I don't know what it was, but it was great. So now we are at Kandaman Nagar, and we are now entering Vikrori. And there is my father told me that there is a grand welcome for the Palki here. So I will try to record it as well. बोलतो. So we have left Vikrori and we are headed towards Bhanduk Mulundia. So it might take some time, maybe 2 hours, a couple of hours as per Google Maps. So stay tuned, I will update you guys later.